4. Open the book. Pets. Meow. Touch the pet to learn how they move. Animals. Touch the animals to learn about their colors. This cat climbs. Meow. This rabbit jumps. This pony gallops. Ooh, this fish is swimming! This guinea pig walks. Our class pet is a guinea pig. This bird flies. This hen walks. This dog is walking. This penguin is black and white. I have a friend who is a penguin. This bear is brown. This elephant is gray. Ooh, I love elephants. Monkey is brown. My name is Monkey. Look at me swing. This lion is brown. This panda is black and white. This hippo is gray. This giraffe is orange and brown. Fruits. Touch the fruits to learn about their colors. Food. Touch the pictures to learn about them. This watermelon is green and red. These cherries are red. These grapes are purple. This pear is green. This banana is yellow. Bananas are my favorite fruit. This apple is red. This lemon is yellow. This orange is orange. This bread smells delicious. Broccoli is green. Milk makes your bones strong. A carrot grows in the ground. Rice is hard to eat with chopsticks. Eggs come from chickens. It's important to drink water every day. Cheese comes from cows. Mealtime. Touch the pictures to learn about mealtime words. Clothes. Touch the pictures to learn about them. We put our food on a table. We hold a fork with our hand. This glass is full of juice. I eat from a plate. We put our food in a bowl. We use a napkin to clean our mouth. We hold a spoon with our hand. This bottle is full of milk. This shirt is pink. The sun is out. Time for shorts. These shoes go on our feet.
Do you like my hat? Those socks don't match.
These boots go on our feet. These gloves go on our hands.
It's cold. Time for a coat.
Colors. Touch the colors to learn about them. My body. Touch the pictures to learn about parts of the body. Orange, like tiger. Red, like cherries. Brown, like monkey. Green, like turtle.
Ooh, pink is my favorite color. What's yours?
Yellow, like bananas. Purple, like grapes. Blue, like the sky. We use our eyes to see. We use our nose to smell. Something smells delicious. We use our mouth to eat. This foot needs a sock. My body. We use our ears to hear. We use our hands to clap. We use our arms to hug. Activities.
Oh, I love to move.
Touch the pictures for activity fun. Eat.
I love to eat carrots. What do you like to eat?
Drink.
It's important to drink water every day.
Crawl.
Can you crawl like a turtle?
Hug.
Ooh, this is my favorite activity.
Sleep.
Sleeping helps your body grow.
Jump.
Jump like a tiger.
Run.
Time for my daily run.
Kiss.
Mwah! Thanks for the kiss, turtle.
The sun is out. It's hot. A cloud way up in the sky.
When it's raining, we need a raincoat.
Moon. This flower is purple. This tree is green. Look at all the colors. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. Stars way up in the sky. Vehicles.
I love riding a bike. I always wear a helmet when I ride a bike.
Touch the pictures to learn about vehicles. Opposites. Touch a picture to learn about opposites. A helicopter flies in the sky. A car drives on the road. A boat sails on the water.
I ride my bicycle on bike paths.
A submarine moves through the ocean. An airplane flies in the sky. A bus drives on the road. A train runs on the tracks. Day.
During the day, the sun makes the flowers grow.
Night.
Ooh, look at the stars.
Dirty.
I'm dirty. I need a bath.
Clean.
I'm clean.
Happy.
I am so happy.
Sad.
I'm sad.
Cold.
It's cold. Good thing I have a coat.
Hot.
The sun is out. It's hot.
Some of my favorite words are dirty, bicycle,